I have here some ideas on how to make small pots from recycled materials. So I have some coffee holders, cup holders. So first you want to fold it. So you fold it to make it a square. So you just have to just fold it this. It becomes like this. So I have this ready. So you open this other one. You'll need 2 of these to serve as the bottom part. You can put holes later on. And then you want to mark it so you know where to fold that. Just want to make sure I fold it this way first and then fold it that way. Yes, so I have folded this in 4 ways. So you just tuck it like that. Then once you have the other one over here, then it's gonna hold. Okay, so like so. Okay, and then the other one, you just put it on the other side. Just get it, just let it stick hot. Now put another square box like that, so you can, just put it there, just so it gets fit. Okay, so there you go. Now you're ready to plant. If you like this or like plants, send us some love and hit subscribe.